Water heater repair services. Water heaters can experience a wide range of problems over time. From minor issues like a faulty thermostat to major problems like a leaking tank. Some common water heater repair services include 1. Thermostat replacement. If your water heater is not heating water to the correct temperature, it may be due to a faulty thermostat. A plumber can replace the thermostat to get your water heater working correctly again. 2. Heating element replacement. The heating element is the part of the water heater that heats the water. Over time, it can wear out and need replacement. A plumber can replace the heating element to restore hot water to your home or business. 3. Tank repair. If your water heater tank is leaking, it may be possible to repair it rather than replacing the entire unit. A plumber can assess the damage and determine if a repair is feasible. Water heater replacement services. In some cases, water heater repair may not be possible or cost-effective. When this happens, water heater replacement may be necessary. Some reasons why you may need a water heater replacement include 1. Age. Water heaters typically last around 10 to 15 years. If your water heater is reaching the end of its lifespan, it may be time to replace it. 2. Inefficiency. Older water heaters may not be as efficient as newer models, which can lead to higher utility bills. Upgrading to a newer, more efficient water heater can save you money over time. 3. Capacity. If your household has grown or you've added new appliances that use hot water, you may need a larger water heater to meet your needs. Choosing a water heater service. When choosing a water heater service in Texas, there are several factors to consider. 1. Reputation. Look for a plumbing service with a good reputation in your community. Ask for referrals from friends or family members, and read online reviews to get a sense of their quality of work. 2. Experience. Water heater repair and replacement can be a complicated process, so you'll want to choose a service with experienced technicians who know what they're doing. 3. Licensing and insurance. Make sure the plumbing service you choose is licensed and insured to protect yourself from liability if something goes wrong during the repair or installation process. 4. Customer service. Look for a plumbing service that offers excellent customer service, with friendly and knowledgeable staff who can answer your questions and address any concerns you may have. Conclusion. In conclusion, water heater repair and replacement services are an essential part of maintaining a functional and efficient home or business. Whether you need repairs or a complete replacement, there are many excellent plumbing services available in Texas to help you get the job done. When choosing a water heater service, be sure to consider factors such as reputation, experience, licensing and insurance, and customer service to ensure that you're getting the best possible service for your needs. Hot water is a vital component of any modern home or business. Whether it's for bathing, cleaning, or cooking, hot water is essential for many day-to-day activities. Unfortunately, when your water heater malfunctions, it can be a frustrating and inconvenient problem. Luckily, if you're a Texas resident, there are numerous reputable plumbing services available that can assist you with water heater repair and replacement. When it comes to water heater repair, a qualified plumber can diagnose and solve a wide range of issues. Some common repair services include thermostat and heating element replacement, as well as tank repair. Faulty thermostats can result in improper water temperature, which a plumber can replace to get your water heater functioning correctly. Similarly, a damaged heating element can lead to insufficient hot water production, which a qualified plumber can replace to restore hot water to your home or business. If your tank is leaking, a plumber can assess the damage and determine if repair or replacement is the best option. In some cases, repairing your water heater may not be feasible, particularly if the unit is old or damaged beyond repair. Water heater replacement may be the only option in such situations. Aging water heaters typically last between 10 to 15 years. And if your unit is reaching the end of its lifespan, replacement may be the best course of action. Additionally, older water heaters may be inefficient and costly to operate. Upgrading to a newer and more efficient model can help save on utility bills over time. Moreover, if you've added new appliances or expanded your household, your hot water demand may increase, necessitating a larger water heater.